Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at your front yard and felt like it's just missing that special something? You are not alone. So many homeowners struggle to bridge the gap between a plain lawn and a welcoming home exterior. Today we are diving deep into the ultimate curb appeal secret, the front yard garden bed. Stick around as we explore what they are, why you need one, and count down the top 10 best front yard garden bed ideas to inspire your next weekend project. So, what exactly is the meaning of a front yard garden bed? Simply put, a front yard garden bed is a designated planting area situated in the front portion of your property. Unlike a sprawling uniform lawn, this space is specifically carved out to house a curated collection of flowers, shrubs, ornamental grasses, or trees. It acts as a transitional zone that softens the harsh architectural lines of your home's foundation and blends it naturally into the surrounding landscape. Whether it lines your driveway, borders your front walkway, or sits directly against the house, it is the living, breathing frame of your property. You might be wondering if digging up your lawn is worth the effort, but the benefits of having a front yard garden bed are truly transformative. First and foremost, it instantly skyrockets your home's curb appeal, making your property look well-maintained, welcoming, and significantly boosting its overall market value. Beyond aesthetics, garden beds are fantastic for the environment. They create vital habitats for local pollinators like bees and butterflies, improve soil drainage, and reduce the amount of water and maintenance required compared to a thirsty, plain grass lawn. Ultimately, it allows you to express your personal style right at your doorstep, turning a simple house into a vibrant, living home. Figuring out how to decorate your front yard garden bed to look beautiful all comes down to layering, texture, and structure. Start by establishing a clean, defined edge using natural stone, brick, or scalloped concrete to separate the bed from the lawn. This instantly makes the space look intentional and tidy. Next, think about layering your plants. Place the tallest shrubs or ornamental grasses in the back, medium-sized perennials in the middle, and low-growing ground covers or bright annuals at the front border. Finally, tie the whole look together with a fresh layer of mulch. Whether you choose classic dark brown, striking black, or vibrant red, mulch creates a unified background that makes the colors of your plants pop while keeping weeds at bay. Choosing the best plants for a front yard garden bed ensures your landscape looks fantastic year-round. The key is to mix evergreens, perennials, and annuals. For your foundational structure, evergreen shrubs like boxwood or small conifers are excellent choices because they keep their green color even in the dead of winter. To add reliable, returning texture and color, perennials like hostas, daylilies, and salvia are incredibly resilient and low maintenance. Finally, to give your front yard that immediate wow factor, tuck in seasonal annuals like vibrant petunias, pansies, or begonias near the front edges. Adding a few ornamental grasses can also introduce a beautiful, swaying movement that brings the whole garden to life. Now that you know the basics, let's get inspired. Here are our top 10 best front yard garden bed ideas based on some truly stunning landscape designs. One, the elegant estate foundation planting. Coming in at number 1 is this breathtaking, expansive foundation bed. This design perfectly complements a large, stately home by utilizing mature, leafy trees and highly sculpted evergreen shrubs. The use of dark mulch against the light stone of the house creates a striking contrast. It proves that keeping your color palette mostly green with varying textures can look incredibly luxurious and timeless. 2. The vibrant sidewalk floral border. Number 2 is all about welcoming the neighborhood. This vibrant sidewalk border uses a neat brick edging to hold back an absolute explosion of color. By mixing bright yellow and purple pansies, tall purple salvias, and striking structural plants like agaves and small palms, this bed turns a standard walkway into a tropical cottage-style paradise that instantly draws the eye. 3. The classic craftsman porch oasis. At number 3, we have a design that perfectly frames a beautiful craftsman porch. This garden bed utilizes symmetry and texture, featuring feathery ornamental grasses flanked by deep purple foliage and soft pink ground covers. The addition of matching hanging flower baskets and potted arrangements on the steps pulls the garden right up onto the architecture of the home. 4. The tropical palm and red mulch haven. Number 4 brings the heat with a beautiful tropical vibe. This front yard bed uses vibrant red mulch bordered by a low, stacked stone wall to create a massive amount of contrast. The star players here are the graceful palm trees, underplanted with lush green ferns, shrubs, and a sweeping carpet of bright pink flowers. It's clean, bold, and incredibly striking. 5. The freestanding stone island bed. For number 5, we step away from the house with a freestanding island bed. Set right in the middle of a lush lawn, this bed uses rugged, natural rocks as a border. It features a brilliant, towering green focal plant in the center, surrounded by a cheerful mix of daylilies, deep pink border flowers, and frosty, dusty miller. Island beds are perfect for breaking up a large, boring front lawn. 6. The circular evergreen focal point. Number 6 is a masterclass in geometry. This perfectly circular island bed is built around a beautifully structured, tiered evergreen tree. What makes this design so unique is the concentric rings of colorful petunias and the clever use of small terracotta pots planted directly into the bed as an inner border. It acts as a standalone piece of living art in the yard. 7. The cascading corner floral display. Coming in at number 7 is a fantastic way to utilize the tight corners around porch steps. This garden bed wraps around a paver walkway, spilling over the edges with massive mounds of white and hot pink petunias. By mixing these trailing flowers with taller, structural greens and coordinating hanging baskets, it softens the hard angles of the steps and creates an incredibly inviting entrance. 8. The neat and symmetrical rock-edged garden. Number 8 is for those who love order and neatness. This foundation bed uses a thick border of angular stones holding back dark, clean mulch. The plant selection is meticulously arranged, featuring bright, lime green structural plants up front, bursts of pink flowers in the middle, and taller, feathery burgundy grasses in the back. It's formal, tidy, and boosts curb appeal immediately. 9. The tiered wooden planter boxes. At number 9, we have a brilliant solution for flat yards or modern aesthetics. Tiered wooden planter boxes. Built using heavy timber, these staggered raised beds fit snugly against the house and fence line. They add instant height and architectural interest, making it easy to grow small shrubs and colorful annuals without having to dig into difficult ground soil. 10. The scalloped border with classic shrubs. Finally, at number 10, we have a charming traditional front porch bed. This design uses a classic scalloped concrete edging to contain a neat, uniform row of rich green bushes. A line of cheerful pink flowers borders the front, adding just the right amount of seasonal color against the brick home. It's a low-maintenance, highly effective design that never goes out of style. Transforming your front yard doesn't have to be overwhelming. Whether you prefer the neat and formal look of a rock-edged foundation bed or the vibrant, overflowing charm of a cottage-style sidewalk border, adding a garden bed is the single best way to breathe life into your property. Remember to start small, focus on layering your plants, and choose a strong edging to keep things looking tidy. With a little planning and creativity, you can create a front yard that you'll be proud to come home to every single day. If you found these ideas inspiring and want to see more landscaping tips, tricks, and transformations, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from Garden Decor Designs. Leave a comment down below telling us which of the 10 designs was your absolute favorite, and please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. Happy gardening, and we will see you in the next video.